Hi everyone, my name is Vicky Shah and welcome to my course Website Creation for Beginners. Let's get started. Today we will be talking about list in HTML. There are two kind of lists that are available in HTML. One is a unordered list, which is represented by circular or round bullets, and then the other one is a ordered list, which is represented by actual numbers. Now let's take a look at the code for an unordered list first. Unordered list will start with UL, which means unordered list, also close with /UL, and between that there will be the list items. Each of the list items should start with LI within braces and it should end with /LI within braces. Let's take a look at this particular example. So the first list item is mango, the second list item is apple, and the third list item is banana, and then we've closed it, and this is how it should appear on an HTML page. In bullet pointers, it will have mango, apple, and banana. Well, the same stands for an ordered list as well. The code, it should start with OL and the code should end with /OL, and between that there should be the list items. Each list item will start with LI within braces and should end with /LI. Here as well we have three items: mango, apple, and banana. This is how it is going to show up on a web browser. Point number 1, apple. Point number 2, mango. Point number 3, banana. This is how an ordered and unordered list looks like in an HTML. Let's go ahead and test this out practically now. Let's open Notepad++. If you're a Mac user, you can use brackets.io. Enter the sample code here. If you do not have the sample code, you can go to wikisha.me/sample-html code, or if you want, you can write the entire code by yourself. Let's open the code. Let's put in some content into it. Let's name the title as lists in HTML. I will save this file. The desktop, we had created a folder called as HTML course. We'll save it here. Let's name it as lists-html.html. Now in the body section, we will add the list code. Let's add an unordered list first. So we'll start with UL, and since we are starting with UL, we should close UL /UL, and between the opening and closing UL, there should be the list items. Let's enter the first list item. So if you're entering the first list item, we should start it with LI and then we should close it by /LI, and between LI and /LI, or between the opening list item and the closing list item, we should have the actual name of the item. Let's say apple. Enter another item, LI, and then write orange and close this as well, /LI. Alright, so I'll save it here. Okay, I have saved it. Now once saved, I will open the HTML course folder, and within this I will have the lists.html file. I will open this with a web browser. Alright, look at this. So this is how it looks like. Now, I can also give it a header. Let's give it a header. Just write fruits. Let's close it by /h1. And let's refresh the page. Perfect. It looks better now, isn't it? So similar to this, instead of fruits, let's give it a name as unordered list, and let's refresh. Okay, so it says unordered list. Now similar to this, let's try to add an ordered list as well. First, let's give it a header h1 and close h1 /h1. Let's write ordered list, and let's open an ordered list. We can open an ordered list by /OL. If you're opening an ordered list, we'll have to close an ordered list as well, /OL, and between this should be our list items. Let's enter list item, apple. Let's close the list item as well, /LI. Let's enter another list item, banana, and let's close the list item by /LI, and let's save this. Let's refresh the page. Perfect. So an unordered list in HTML will be represented by circular or bullet pointers, while an ordered list in HTML will be represented by numbers. So we've learned about lists in HTML. See you all in the next video. Please do subscribe to the channel and like the video. Take care. Bye bye.